Ah, yeah. We're gonna do a series, BBL or real. Slow, right? Okay. What's up, ladies and germs? Listen, man, I'm back, and this slow travel journey continues. Listen, this is a fun video, so don't get your, you know what, in a bunch. Hold on one second. So, let's go. Yeah, man. So listen, I'm just throwing this one together real quick. I'll be honest with you, just feel like do a fun video because the most interesting day happened yesterday, man. I just stepped out at first for like 2 hours just to grab some food. I also needed, some clothes. Nothing major, but something interesting happened when I was out there. I was like, yo, what the hell? How did I not notice this in the past? Yo, all right, for you older fellas, and you guys who do not travel, and for you guys that are not up on popular culture, I'm gonna mention a word, BBL. That's the Brazilian butt lift, right? Now, funny enough, I was watching a video from a YouTuber. He's not a big YouTuber, just a regular guy, and he's in Colombia, right? Now, this guy used to watch him like 4 years ago, and he travels a lot, been to a lot of countries, but for like the last 2 years, something like that, he's been living in Colombia. And in one of the videos, he mentioned that he happened to jump over to DR for a little bit. He's like, oh my God, he was in Santo Domingo. He was like, oh my God, I see so many BBLs. Now, that is interesting, coming from a country like Colombia. Now, some of you guys think this is a DR channel. It's not a Dominican Republic channel. If you go back in my videos, I lived 6 months in Colombia, did some time recently in Brazil, and before I was actually on YouTube, trying together these entertaining videos for you guys. I went to a lot of other, countries and islands around the Caribbean, right? So, listen, man, I have to admit, you got a lot of natural here. Yeah, I don't care what Dominicans say, they're clearly mixed with people from the continent. There's some Dominicans darker than me. I swear to God. But because of that, you have some natural shapes here. But yesterday, man, I was like, what the hell? I can't tell anymore what's real, what's fake. You guys drop the comments below. You let me know. No timestamp, fellas. No timestamps. Just be like the one in the blue, the one in the red, the one in the this, whatever. You see something and you think it's a BBL, drop it in the comment. You see something that you think is real, drop it in the comment. Listen, no timestamps. I will block you from the channel for a timestamp. Yo, like I said before, man, you guys follow my videos. I run this channel like a tyrant. Anyhow, this is supposed to be a fun video. Just feeling the mood to do one of those today, man. Listen, nothing serious, no real conversation. If this is your first time to the channel, go look up the other videos before you go judging, right? A lot of English, everybody home for the holidays. Yeah, man. Listen, enjoy. But yo, for real, I was like, what the hell is going on, man? I have never seen so many BBLs in one spot in 2 hours in my life. And then I hit the nightlife. I hope I could include that in this video for you guys. Now, the issue with the nightlife is, man, there's just music everywhere. VR plays music loud, they play it all the time. You got a lot of copyright. YouTube does not like copyrights. It can't run ads on the videos. And we can't make money on the videos. They just throw it over to the artist, right? So you do all the hard work, give you guys the good views, and then the artist makes all the money. Like if he's the one that went out there and did the work. All he did is sing some music. I'm in the wrong business. I need to get in the music business. Anyway, man, listen, fun facts, enjoy the views, don't judge me. For all you guys out there who like, oh my God, yo, get a life. Go back to church. You know what I mean? Hey, if you didn't enjoy the views, you won't be clicking on that thumbnail because I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have a nice thumbnail on there, right? I've never seen so many BBLs in one spot in 2 hours in my life. And I spent the whole time like, real or fake? Okay, clearly some are fake. I'm like, yeah, that definitely. I don't even know if she moved around the fat from the chicharron into the outer spot from the belly, or if it was just like, hey, inflatable, pump it up like a tire. Crazy, man. Anyhow, listen, just enjoy it, man. If you don't like it, move on. Don't drop no comments, man. You understand me? It don't matter to me. It don't matter to the fellas who are enjoying it either. All right.
Black Santa Claus.
Check out the ebooks. Enjoy the scenery. Fun video, man.
Biggest one blocks at all.
Woo! Devil in this dress. Yo, she wear this very well. Just saying. Man, so many distractions. I almost forgot why I'm out here. I gotta grab some cash also. Yeah, let's do a B-turn for the ATMs over there. It didn't take me long to grab some money on that ATM. I turn around, and this is right here. Okay. Balance, man. You know, you talk about in life how you need balance because, you know, some things can definitely be taken into the extremes of life. You know what I'm saying? So this is why we need balance. But I'm gonna check it out. Let's check it out.
Mom must be real extra proud, man.
Now, you guys can think whatever you want to think, but at the end of the day, man, ain't like I put them in front of the camera. You understand me? The camera's on, I'm walking, they just happen to be right there. So you can miss me with the bowl, you know what I'm saying? All right, yeah, man. Anyhow, no, it is thick as thieves up in here. Now, for you who might be wondering where this is Mega Central. Yeah, Santo Domingo, man.
Yeah. We're gonna do a series, BBL or real.
Woo, one hell of a views, man. I tell you, it was popping in there like if it was before the holidays. It's crazy. DR, the thing about December month is that everybody get paid double, right? So people got a little money to spend. A lot of people are off work. Listen, man, I'm not going to tell you guys where this spot is. You know what I mean? Let's just say it's in Santo Domingo. You guys got to venture out. Anyhow, the music in here is pumping real loud, man. Got me a couple of Presidentes. Listen, the craziest thing happened up in here, man. With all these fine, beautiful women here. Man, I met a cougar. She don't latch on to me, man. When I say latch on to me, all right, so listen, she be sitting to the left. I notice her looking. Then she kind of looking harder. Then she trying to talk to me in Spanish, but I'm playing it off because, she talking like real crazy Dominican Spanish. I didn't understand what the hell she was saying, so I'm just putting together every two words. But I keep on chilling there. Try to put her hand on my thigh a couple of times. I'm not paying attention to her. Then, like, her daughter shows up, right? And I mean, the daughter is like a mini me of her. Now, this lady, when I look at her face, she and the daughter got exactly the same face. They could have almost been twins, except for one major issue, right? She old as hell. No, she got to be maybe in her late 50s, maybe early 50s, maybe late 40s. Got the gray streaks of hair running all the way through. And she just had it in her mind that I'm for her. I'm like, yo, I got a wife, I got a kid. Lady ain't listening to me, man. She just like, she in the zone, right? So the craziest thing happened, man. If you guys ever watch Where's Volpe, I think that's the name of the channel, Where's Volpe? Volpe was up in Alaska. He did a video where he's talking about like a lady offered him a green card because he said he was Venezuelan, but he kept telling her like, yo, I'm born in Miami, right? She ain't listening. Crazy video. Go watch it, man. Where's Volpe? Volpe. Big up to Volpe. Listen, man. Anyway, so this cougar, she just pursuing me like crazy, man. Listen, by the time I got home late in the night, I swear to God, bro, I ended up giving this lady my number just to be like, yo, chill, right? So the daughter's there. The daughter's boyfriend is there. The boyfriend of the daughter is like, yo, she want to take you home. She want to take you home. Obviously, he's speaking Spanish, you know what I'm saying? I'm like halfway listening, halfway not listening. Lady's trying hard. The lady take my phone number. Hey, I'll just be real, man. She pressured me into giving the phone number. Anyway, man, I woke up this morning. I got a message already from the lady at night. She's like, oh, baby, I got home safe. So I want to give a special shout out to all the Dominican baby mamas who are cougars. Hey, man, no matter what me and you might think, homeboy got props for shooting the shot. You know what I mean?